I have Allison here. Allison, what did you like most about the wallet?
Yeah, I really liked how accessible the map is. The knife is also really accessible and it feels really safe to have it there. I also really enjoyed how compact the fishing rod is and it will not fall out if I'm walking around. Also, like all the spots that I have for any of my ID cards or licenses or anything like that. And the wallet overall is just really sleek and cool.
Thank you for your feedback. What would you change about the wallet if you could change anything about it?
Yeah, overall, I think it's great. The only thing that I would really change is moving the steel a little bit away from the flint, just so it's not risking rubbing together and causing a potential fire.
Here in this picture, you can see the fishing rod in use. It has caught a giant fish, and there's avid wildlife trying to get it out of our hands. What a wonderful wallet.